Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a white exterior. We have a tan and black interior. Power memory seats, both driver and passenger. Also have heated seats. Sunroof. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Come around to the back, we have our GLA 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And hopping inside the vehicle, mileage is currently at 42,838. Do have a push button ignition. And here is our display system. While that's loading up, right below we have our climate controls, including those heated seats I mentioned earlier. Cigarette lighter and ashtray, cup holders, command module here for making adjustments on the display. Currently showing the navigation screen. No memory card currently inserted. You can certainly chat with your sales consultant about that. We've got our radio here. We've got backup camera. And last but not least, our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2017 GLA 250, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.